to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So without too much of a time, let's get right into the video of today. So guys, we have Kizz Daniel who will be performing live in Benin Republic, Cotonou tonight, and trust me, it's going to be a banger. If you've been following Kizz Daniel's shows on my channel, you will know that this guy they finish work for his performance. Everything just they sound well, and this is why Kizz Daniel always conducts a sound check and do some rehearsals before his show. And I'm going to be playing the video footage of Kizz Daniel rehearsing with his band and of course his DJ as they prepare to kill the performance tonight. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the updates. So guys, enjoy the sound check. I'll see you guys towards the end of this video.
The bass guitar, the low,
there's so much low of the bass, sounding good on stage.
Kizz Daniel anything. Anything now. I don't just say I'm Kizz Daniel.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys some other time. It's been your boy Merky Jameson, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out.